So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I'm going to my computer keyboard, and suppose if the number lock key is off, you must turn on the number lock. And I can see Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You can press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you can type here 8986. So after typing 8986, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that a symbol of watch have been rendered. So we have created a watch symbol using this keyboard shortcut. And suppose if you select this in your MS Word, and after that if you change the color, then you can see that we have changed the color of this watch. So you can select the color that you want. For more videos, you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.